Hey everyone, welcome to the June subscription box. We've got a ton in here. Let's go ahead and get right into it. First, I need to get my glow inlay sorted out. So I'm going to pour out a good bit of glow powder here, about half of a vial's worth. And then I'm going to be mixing in all three of these colors. I'm going to use more gunmetal gray than any of the other colors. And then the other two are just going to be accents. That'll give us some nice golden sparkles as well as some blue sparkles. Should add a really nice look to the ring, especially in direct sunlight. Now I'll use a hammer to crush the turquoise pieces down to size and get them ready to be inlaid. Then for inlaying on this ring, it's going to be very simple. I'm just sprinkling in as many of these turquoise pieces as I can cram in there. And then I do a layer or two of glow powder to raise the overall level of the inlay. Then I go ahead and lay down some gold leaf pieces that will be exposed and add a really nice gold vein design to the ring. Now I'll use my Dremel and I'll grind the inlay down to be flush with the ceramic blank. Now I'll go through all my different grits of sandpaper to sand the inlay down, get rid of any of these rough scratches that the Dremel left. Now as a final step, I'll use my Astrotech polish and get this to a final shine. Now here it is finished. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I love that natural look of that turquoise with the gold veins running through it. Just a really fun project. Now if you're interested in making one of these, we'll have a link down in the description to our subscription box. You can sign up for it there. And we also have a much longer and more in-depth tutorial on our Patrick Adair supplies channel that will go through step by step with detailed instructions on how to make this ring. We'll also have a link to that in the description below as well. All right, that's it for this month's Quick Cut. Thank you for joining, and we'll see you next month.